In the past, wealth belonged to industrialists, oil tycoons, and factory owners. But today, a new generation of billionaires has emerged from behind the screens. Ordinary people, turning views and likes into millions. This is the list of the top 10 richest online influencers in 2025. 1. Mr. Beast, Jimmy Donaldson. From insane challenge videos to restaurants, products, and charitable ventures, Mr. Beast doesn't just chase fame. In 2025, his earnings surpassed $85 million, making him the highest-earning influencer in the world. 2. Dar Man. He started with short inspirational videos and built a massive studio with millions of followers. Today, his annual earnings reach $56 million, proving that even moral stories can become a global business. 3. Jake Paul. From YouTube prankster to professional boxer, attracting millions worldwide. Despite the controversies, he earned around $50 million in 2025. 4. Matt Rife. The comedian who started with short TikTok clips now fills theaters globally. His live shows and Netflix deals bring in approximately $50 million annually. 5. Rhett and Link. The duo behind Good Mythical Morning. What started as simple videos between friends turned into a major entertainment company generating over $36 million a year. 6. Mark Rober. A former NASA engineer who made science entertaining on YouTube. His innovative experiments and educational products raised his income to $25 million this year. 7. Charli D'Amelio. From a simple TikTok dance to a global face in fashion and advertising, Charli now earns around $23.5 million annually. 8. Stokes Twins. They rose from prank and challenge videos to digital icons. Their combined earnings in 2025 are estimated at $20 million. 9. Dixie D'Amelio Charli's sister chose the path of music and fashion. Her success in music and videos brought her annual earnings to about $14.6 million. 10. Ninja Tyler Blevins, the most famous gamer in the world. From Twitch and YouTube streams to major brand deals, his yearly income exceeds $10 million, making him a key figure in the gaming industry. These 10 creators aren't just making content. They are building empires from the internet, turning ideas into millions and followers into real influence. Don't miss a single story, success, or moment from the lives of these digital millionaires. Hit subscribe, now turn on the notification bell to be the first to know about the latest success stories, and don't forget to share this video, and leave your comment to become part of our inspiring community.